Verifying your Venmo account is essential for ensuring secure transactions and accessing all features of the app. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download and install the app. Start by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Enter your personal information. Provide the required personal information, including your name, email address, phone number, and a secure password. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid issues during verification. Step 3. Link your bank account or card. To verify your account, you need to link a bank account or debit/credit card. Go to the Settings menu, select Payment Methods, and follow the prompts to add your bank details or card information. Step 4. Confirm your identity. Venmo may ask you to verify your identity by providing additional information such as your social security number or photo ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information, wait for Venmo to review and confirm your account. You will receive a notification once your account is verified, which may take a few minutes to a couple of days. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Venmo account and enjoy all the features it has to offer.